Okay, I will try to speak.
First of all, my name is Karan Patil. I am studying in ninth grade. My school name is School, and my classes name is step by step classes. And so, sir has told us to take an interview of any person who has traveled to India. So, tell me something about you.
My name is Roy. Nice to meet you. I'm from Israel, and right now I'm traveling in India.
How many days have you traveled in India?
I feel like 3 months in the north, 3 months, 6 months in Sri Lanka, and 3 months.
Which places you like in India?
There's many places I like. Some places are Israeli places like Arabo, like Happy.
You like India's culture?
I am really connected to Indian culture. I really like spirituality, meditation, yoga,
So now where are you going?
and I'm going to Nepal because Nepal is my destination.
So there are good, Nepal is good country, but India is also very good country.
Yeah, I like India a lot. Nepal also like the same culture, Hinduism, very.
So do you travel in Mumbai?
Right now, I just stopped here for a flight. So I'm like just here for a couple of hours and then I'm continuing to Nepal.
And see what is in India.
I don't think this is a favorite place. I really like Papati Valley. Papati Valley. Happy. Goa.
Do you like India's food? Because the Indian food is very good.
I really like dosa. I really like paneer butter masala. It's really like yeah, Indian food.
Thank you so much for because I came from one class and in that class, sir had told us take an interview with any stranger person who had traveled with okay. Thank you so much. I am in my son, ninth grade.
Yeah, but which club?
Step by step class.
Step by step.
So he teaches us English language, how to talk in English and how to gain our confidence.
Yeah.
Because in my home there is no one understand English. So therefore my father had told me to try English class and because I want to become an engineer. For that the English is important. So I have to avoid more countries and not ship also. So the first from ship doesn't know English language, other language. But they really know English language because it is the international language. So therefore I have to learn English language. Do you want to ask me any question?
Um, no, nothing particular.